Hello, this is Bernie, the Swiss PowerApps enthusiast SwiPowE. I want to talk about some PowerApps basics, some PowerApps fundamentals tonight, but at first my intro. So the question tonight is what is PowerApps and what can we do with PowerApps? So PowerApps is a tool from Microsoft belonging to the Power platform, and this is one of the main tools of the Microsoft cloud strategy. Cloud means that PowerApps is a cloud tool, so it connects to cloud data sources. It uses cloud tools like, for example, Microsoft Online or whatever, and it is working as well in the cloud. You can easily create your own apps which cover your own business processes 100%. So you can easily create customized apps, and the main difference between other tools is that you don't need a lot of coding experience to do so. It's quite easy, and of course it's, as always, when you start with something quite difficult, and if it's more complex you might need some specialists, but at least you don't need any really programmers. So let's go on with some examples. What I will show you is this. This is the creator or the creation environment of PowerApps. So this is where you create your tools. And this is, for example, something I want to talk about. This is the dispatching console. So how is it working? I will show you how easily you can enter something and publish things. For example, I want to enter text, so I go here to label. This is German. Anyway, I enter the label and I want to enter some text. This I can do here. So I will say, hello world, I love to swim. Okay, so I want to have this bigger, and I want to have a different color, which is here. Okay, hello world. So what I'm going to do is now I'm saving this app. I go to publish, yes, this version. And now I can see here, this is belonging to the app. So I have all those apps here, and this is the one I showed you. It has been changed a few seconds ago. I go to details, then I have this web link here. And now I can open it in the browser or in a phone, Android or iPhone, and I have this app. And you will see here is already in this app, you know, this is a different environment. This is the creating environment. This is the live environment. Okay, so I will show you what this can do, and you already know now how easy it is to change things. And of course, it's not everything that easy, but it is at least something you can get into. So we have here some the weeks. And we have here the working plan. So we have few installers. You might know them. They're quite famous. Beckenbauer, Breitner, and Jackson. They are working for the company. And let's go to week 27. And here you have some buttons. Imagine that, for example, you just want to see those installers who are able to work. So we have this button, Vogt is ill on this day. So I don't want to see him, but maybe I want to know why he's not attending or why he's not working. So maybe I want to know what is in the weekend. So I can show the weekends by pressing this button. I can just see all the days and go into the details by clicking. So this is one thing which is 100% customized. So if you find out that you need a different way, you can do it easily. So how it is working now, I have here the installers, and let's say Beckenbauer, for example, shall go to project 4. And just click on it, then he is putting project 4 on this side, and he's showing, okay, he is here, and here we have the one, so there is one installer already on project 4. We say Breitner shall go to project 4 as well. So here's Breitner, and we have here the 2. So this is quite easy to do. And to change things is really it's like a whimper. It's done in a few minutes. You can see that we have a 2. This is offline capability. So this was not a good idea to cover the button with the text. So yeah, this is a problem now. Now we cannot save it anyway. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's say he shall go maybe to 2 different projects on a day. So I entered this plus. So he is now having a second line, and he can go to project 2, and that's it. Okay, so we have a way to dispatch projects to installers, quite easy and 100%. You can whatever do, you can enter some region or whatever. Okay, this is the one thing, and now maybe the installers need to know where to go. So this is not the same data source, so don't be confused, but this is how it could look like. So you have here different regions, Mitte, Ost, West, this is German. You have weeks, and you have the name of the installer, and this is the layout of mobile phone, and he wants to go, for example, here to this one. He can see, okay, these are some information for this service, for his work, and maybe he is going there, and he can say, okay, I'm really done with it, nearly done, it's stage 4 or whatever, and he can go into this and say some feedback. So let's say it was a great day, I am ready, and he has status 4. I'm saving it, and this one is based on a data source. It's a SharePoint list, and if I'm refreshing, it was a great day, I am ready. So easily entered, and this data is accessible from everywhere. You can show it again in the other app. So yeah, what I wanted to show you is, for example, how easy it is. So I entered this navigation button. So maybe he wants to go to this address. He just clicks on it. He opens the Google website and shows him how to get there. And for example, I can connect this with the starting of his work time or with his travel time. So you can do everything. Okay, that's it so far. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. It's a great thing, and it's a revolution which will come and be one of the first who's taking part in it. Okay, thank you very much, and see you then. Bye-bye.